Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about nerves. So let's start our topic with introduction. Nerves are the communication pathways of nervous system. They are bundles of axons that are surrounded by connective tissue and blood vessels, transmitting electrical impulses between the brain, spinal cord and rest of body. Without nerves, sensation, movement and vital functions would not be possible. Structure of nerve. It contains axon, that is a long projection of neurons that carry electrical signals. It contains myelin sheath, that are fatty coverings around many axons that increase the speed of impulse conduction. It has connective tissue covering that include endoneurium, perineurium and epineurium. Endoneurium surrounds individual axons, perineurium surrounds bundle of axons, and epineurium are the outermost covering that enclose the whole nerve. Then there are blood vessels in the nerve that are also called as vasa nervosum that provide nutrient and oxygen to nerve tissue. Classification of nerves. They are classified based on origin. As they are based on origin, there are cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs that arise from brain and brainstem. For example, optic nerve, vagus nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve. And spinal nerves are 31 pairs of nerves that arise from spinal cord and supply the body below the head. Then nerves are classified on the basis of their function. There are sensory nerves that are also called as afferent nerves that carry information from receptors to the central nervous system. Then there are motor nerves that are also called as efferent nerves that transmit command from central nervous system to muscles and glands. Then there are mixed nerves that contain both sensory and motor fibers, and it is most common type of the mixed nerves. Then there are classification of nerves based on their control, as there are somatic nerves that control voluntary activities such as skeletal muscle movement, and then there are autonomic nerves that control involuntary functions like heartbeat, digestion and gland secretion. These are further divided into sympathetic nerves and parasympathetic nerves. Sympathetic nerves are for the fight and flight response, while parasympathetic nerves are for the rest and digest response. Functions of nerve. First is sensory function, as these nerves carry information from sensory organs like eyes, ears or skin to the CNS or central nervous system. Second function of nerve is motor function, as they control voluntary and involuntary movements. Third function is autonomic regulation, as these nerves regulate heart rate, blood pressure, digestion and respiration. Fourth function is reflex action, as these nerves enable quick responses to stimuli without conscious thought. And fifth function is coordination, as these nerves ensure communication between different organs and systems for homeostasis. Examples of important nerves. First is optic nerve, that is second cranial nerve, and it is for vision. Second is vagus nerve, that is 10th cranial nerve, and it controls heart, lung and digestive system. Third is sciatic nerve, that is longest nerve in body, and it supplies lower limb. Fourth is phrenic nerve that control diaphragm and breathing. Clinical significance of nerves. First is nerve injury that may lead to loss of sensation. It may cause sensory loss or paralysis, that is motor loss. Second significance is peripheral neuropathy. This is damage to peripheral nerve that is common in diabetes, and it causes numbness and weakness. Third is nerve compression syndrome, for example, carpal tunnel syndrome. Fourth significance is neurodegenerative diseases such as multiple sclerosis that affect nerve conduction due to demyelination. And fifth significance is neuritis, that is inflammation of nerve, and it is often painful. Conclusion of this lecture video. Nerves are essential wiring system of human body that ensure proper communication between the brain and spinal cord and peripheral organs. They control both voluntary actions like movements and involuntary actions like heartbeat and digestion. Damage to nerve can cause significant functional loss, highlighting their critical role in maintaining health and survival. And this was all about nerves. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.